Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic: 5 homemade recipes that can slow down the aging process. Yes, you heard it right. These recipes aren't just delicious. They're packed with ingredients that may actually help keep the clock at bay. I'm your host, your name, and in this video, we're going to explore the science behind these recipes and how they can become your secret weapon in the fight against aging. Recipe 1. Let's kick things off with a powerhouse of antioxidants, the Berry Blast Smoothie. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a key player in the aging process. Blend these with Greek yogurt for added protein and a dollop of honey for sweetness. Recipe 2. Now, onto recipe number 2, the Green Goddess Salad. Dark, leafy greens like kale and spinach are loaded with vitamins A and C, essential for collagen production, which contributes to skin elasticity. Toss in some nuts and seeds for a satisfying crunch and an extra dose of anti-aging nutrients. Recipe 3. Moving on to recipe number 3, the Turmeric Tonic. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Combine turmeric with warm water, a splash of lemon, and a pinch of black pepper for optimal absorption. Recipe 4. Let's talk about the omega-3 boost. Our fourth recipe. Fatty fish, like salmon, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining skin health. Baking or grilling salmon with a side of roasted vegetables not only satisfies your taste buds but also nourishes your skin from within. Recipe 5. Last but certainly not least, the Avocado Elixir. Avocados are a treasure trove of monounsaturated fats and vitamins that support skin hydration and overall health. Mash up an avocado, add a sprinkle of sea salt, and spread it on whole grain toast for a delicious and age-defying snack. General tips. Before you rush to the kitchen, let's talk about some general tips to incorporate these recipes seamlessly into your routine. Consistency is key. Incorporate these recipes regularly to experience their full benefits. Stay hydrated. Water is your best friend in the anti-aging journey. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Protect your skin. Don't forget sunscreen. Shielding your skin from UV rays is a crucial step in preventing premature aging. Mindful eating. Enjoy your meals slowly, savoring each bite. Mindful eating can contribute to overall well-being. And there you have it, 5 homemade recipes that may just be your ticket to aging gracefully. Remember, aging is a natural process, but why not do it with a glow? If you found these recipes intriguing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more age-defying content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beauty-enhancing update. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay youthful, and keep nourishing your body with these age-defying delights. See you in the next video. Now that you're armed with these age-defying recipes, it's time to put them into action and let the magic unfold. But hey, before you rush to raid your kitchen, here's a little secret I want to share with you. Did you know that hitting the like button is like giving a virtual high five to these amazing recipes? Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next, from more rejuvenating recipes to skincare secrets that will leave you glowing. So, join our community, click subscribe, like this video, and let's age like fine wine. Until next time, keep shining, stay fabulous, and let's defy age together. See you in the next video.